So here's our little rescue fish, and we're going to feed them in a second. Sometimes they get really excited, but we just changed some of the water, so they're just checking out their scenes. But they do have feelings. They get very excited when it's feeding time. There's Hope for Sealife with the little telescope eyes. There's Svegan, the big one, who gets really excited, swimming back and forth when you feed. Brainy, who says get your omega-3s from algae oil, not fish oil. And then you have Shrimpy or Crabby. And Gilbert. Where's Gilbert? There we go. Hi, I'm Gilbert, the other small one, next to Shrimpy and Crabby. These are real plants, not cheap plastic that is going to end up in the oceans, killing sea life soon. And these can be herbivores. You don't need to feed them animals or other sea life. Come on, little fellas, come over to your little food. When they notice. In the background, you can see Watch Seaspiracy. Look it up, about the commercial fishing industry and massive super trawler nets that rape oceans. Not the clearest right now, but there's a trawler net with a turtle in it over there. Come on, guys, find your food. And each of them there. Brainy in the background, Shrimpy, Crabby. Yeah, they're exploring. Oh, now they're finding it as it sinks. Hi, I'm Gilbert. We can't breathe. Svegan, the rescue. Someone was dumping them in a fountain just before winter outdoors. You guys are usually a little more active, I guess, because we just changed part of the water. So they dumped them in an outside fountain just before winter. So we rescued them. I don't recommend having them as pets. I don't think they want to live in a box. And they are actually a lot of work. You need filters. You need bubble makers. You need lots of different things for the pH. And when you change the water from the tap water. So you can see you need certain things. You need test strips, as you can see down here. There's some test strips. So yeah, there's a lot to it. So I don't recommend also having them as pets anyways, unless if you're rescuing them or adopting from a rescue group online. Get your omega-3s from algae oil. Get it direct from the source, plant-based. That's where they get it from. No super trawler nets or nasty fish farms, like sick factory farms. Sea life, not seafood. Don't boil alive or suffocate them. Take the suffocation test. Hold your breath for 2 minutes. If you don't like that, don't do it to others. A little more, little fellers. Just another thing you got to do. Sometimes I almost take it from my hand. You got to check the temperature. We even have a thermostat. So you have to have certain temperatures. You have to have a heater lamp in there at times. You have a lot of enrichment, a mirror, live plants, not plastic. And in the background, a little murky right now because the filter's not on, but reusable bags. No thank you for plastic bags and single-use bottles. Use reusable. And forks and takeout spoons, bring your own, or use a wooden or reusable or compostable bags. You can look for online for garbage bags. And petition to stop risky offshore drilling. Look up the BP oil spill from not too long ago. Destroyed tons of sea life on the Gulf Coast and beyond. Terrible, terrible. Risky offshore drilling for greed. Solar, wind are better. Or public transit, obviously, than cars. Personal vehicles and suburban sprawl kill. So look how beautiful they are. Don't suffocate them. They do have feelings. They're happy. I notice when they're happy and everything. So They suffer the same just like any other animal, and they are actually smart, despite the myths. Not just dolphins and turtles, who do get caught in the drift nets that are broken off from massive super trawler nets that are the size of football fields. Dolphins, lots of animals get killed from bycatch as well. Unintended caught in the huge super trawler nets that are the size of football fields. So if you eat fish, you're killing turtles and dolphins too. And all types of sea life. Sea life, not seafood. And say no to pot. Shellfish, sin. Okay. Bye-bye. Adjust into the water and get a little more excited. Bye-bye, Brainy. Watch Seaspiracy for Brainy and share it if you care. Adopt, don't shop. Right, Gilbert and Svegan?